Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the file and the goal. Import the highest resolution image and state whether you want a subject edit, background swap, or simple retouch. Once imported, make a quick duplicate so you can revert. This protects quality and keeps an unedited backup. Next, set canvas and output resolution to match your final use. Make sure to disable aggressive compression and confirm the file color profile, because that preserves tones for finer edits later. You now execute the core edits. Select the subject or area with the lasso or AI selection and refine the mask edge to avoid halos. Once the selection is solid, apply exposure, color balance, and texture adjustments only where needed so changes look natural. Use the Magic Fill or Content-Aware tool for clean background transitions, and always work in labeled layers so you can toggle or tweak specific changes. When done, step back and compare before and after to ensure consistency. You finish by exporting with the correct format and resolution for your destination. Choose sRGB for online uses and a high-quality TIFF or PNG for print. Before export, inspect at 100% to catch haloing, texture loss, or fill artifacts. Then retouch small problems with cloning or local brushes. If something goes wrong, revert to the duplicate backup, redo the mask more precisely, and reapply adjustments. This avoids accumulating errors and keeps the final image clean and professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.